Hi, this is Laura from Laura's Lovely Gifts in Lake Elsinore, California. Today I'm going to show you how I created the design for these paint smocks for these cuties for their paint party. We're here on our Cricut screen. I have the little girl's name typed out on the side. I bolded the first letter and then kept the other 4 letters regular. The font that I used was Times New Roman. And then we have our mermaid tail file. This was a PNG that I downloaded from Canva. So we're going to highlight her name. We're going to take it over here to the bottom of the mermaid tail. I'm going to zoom in a bit. We're going to work with just the bottom of the tail here. This can go however you want it to look. So we're working with just the first letter right now. We're going to unlock the proportions. And we're going to make the letter taller, but keep it thin so that we can still fit the other letters nicely. So we're going to line it up with the bottom. And then we're going to work with the rest of the name. Again, unlock your proportions. And you're going to do this just to however you like it. You don't want to go too far out of the tail, like the top of the H here. So we're going to make it a little bit shorter. And just keep going until you're not reaching out of the tail. Now you could, one option would be to make the letters shorter but wider so that you take up more of the tail down here. But for me, I don't like how the S is standing out like that. So we're going to try and make the other letters big enough to kind of stand up there with the first letter. So there's that. I'm happy with that. So we're going to highlight all 3 and a line on the bottom. Then we're going to take our first name and we're going to weld that. From there, you're going to select your offset option. 0.25 was a bit big. So I'm going to go 0.1 and see how that looks. I didn't click to apply, sorry. So 0.1 and apply. And that creates our area that we're going to cut out of the tail. So we're going to select our offset and the tail, and we're going to slice. Then select your slice results and delete them. And you'll see you have your name in there. Select the 2 of them and weld. And then you can make it whatever color is going to work for your project.